welcome back. As always, I used to show my gardens. Today I'm here to show my flowers overview. These are the geraniums cutting and they're grown so well. You can see the roots out there and the beautiful flowers are blooming. And these are my flowers which I propagated from the leaves and they're growing well. And these are all the hanging plants. All the small saplings are kept here. These are all the cuttings or some things which are prepared and I transport to the bigger pots. See, they are ready to go in the bigger pots now. Bougainvillea cuttings and these almost ready. These are my calendars. These birds are red and these are like this. This part is the center point of my flowers, which I kept all the flowers collection out here. These are blooming so well. Red, and another red here. All the combinations are kept here. I just made from the waste buckets and see the various mixtures of colors. White. Sorry, I forgot this salvia plants. And see my little cute pansy. Friends, my calla lily, yellow calla lily is blooming. Only one. And I always used to show this part, so they are just like this. You might be seeing my plants are reducing because all these plants, some plants I used to sell. That's why only few are left. And geraniums, now they have gone their flowers. Only green leaf has left, and this all ivy geraniums are blooming. This carnation also blooms so long durations. It's been almost 2 to 3 months blooming like this. And this carnations also blooming so well. And here in this part, all I've grown these petunias from cuttings, and they are blooming and they're growing well. See these carnations and petunias, some geraniums. As at my place, heat is rising so high. See, because of heat they are damaged, and because of the rain at the night they're growing well. See euphorbia, white one. See here, purple petunias is coming. So friends, I have this mod only to show this time. So bye bye, see you next time. Love you all.